all'orizzonte mancano le parole. Sì, lo so che non c'è luce in una stanza quando manca il sole. Se non ci sei tu con me, su le finestre mostrar tutto il mio cuore che è acceso. Chiudi dentro me la luce che ha incontrato per strada. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te. Partirò su navi per mari che io lo so non esistono più. It's time to say goodbye.
Quando sei lontana sogno all'orizzonte e mancan le parole. E io sì lo so che sei con me, tu mia luna, tu sei qui con me. Mio sole, tu sei qui con me, con me, con me, con me. Time to say goodbye. Paesi che non ho mai veduto e vissuto con te. Adesso sì li vivrò con te. Partirò su navi per mari che io lo so non esistono più. Con te io li vivrò, con te partirò su navi per mari che io lo so non esistono più. Con te io li vivrò, con te partirò.
2008年10月1日，我第一次来到越南，认识了各位。在这6年的日子里，我们一起完成了公司所赋予的各项任务。在此，我要谢谢各位这段时间的配合与照顾。公司今年遭受重大损失，这对我们来说是一件非常重大的考验。经历这件事情后，公司依然很稳固，而且我们也都能在短时间内让公司恢复正常运作。我觉得这是大家一起努力的成果，是从公司成立以来大家一起打下的基础。接下来，富邦将在亚洲区有大规模的扩展计划，届时富邦越南也会在加速扩大营运规模。在此，希望各位能尽早做好准备。有一天我再回来的时候，我们可能会有自己的办公大楼，我们的市占率可能会挤进前3名。希望大家一起朝着这个方向努力。再次谢谢大家6年来的照顾，我会怀念大家的。在此祝大家家庭美满，工作顺利，谢谢大家。
Hi Andrew.
Hello, Anhan.
How do you think about him?
Foster.
Yes.
Wow, And we will go back to Taiwan at the end of this month.
Yes.
On the 30th of September. Wow. So what do I think about him? Actually, he's okay. Why don't we separate the strength and the weakness today?
I can handle the second one.
You handle the weakness one. Okay, let me go to first. The strength of Foster. Since we've been together 6 years. Okay, nearly 6 years. Okay. You did make me feel. The first thing is nice to our new colleague, especially young boy.
Agree.
Concentrate on work.
Yes, agree.
Willing to helping others,
Approve.
people, and still laugh,
Second,
not
approve.
grumpy at all time. What about the weakness?
Because next month and you will miss him in Taiwan, so cannot say a lot.
Okay.
He only have something I must mention is ăn nhiều, càm ràm, khó chịu, mê chơi. That's all.
你爹地你回国了，你回去我很高兴啊，
祝你工作顺利，
赶快跟你跟男朋友结婚，记得请我们啊，
祝你生活愉快，
记得少吃一点，
祝你身体健康。
我阿汪，
我周欧，
再见。
嗨 ，Buster，你好，你快要回国了，也不知道该说什么，就想跟你说，第一，台湾主管我见面就是你，也觉得最可怕的台湾主管也就是你，只开玩笑啊，不用在意，我想到以后你不在越南办公室上班，每天就看不到你，觉得真的很难过。以前如果发生问题，工作有什么困难，都会把他来处理帮忙。那后来当然会请另一个人帮忙，但是觉得真的不太习惯。就想跟你说一句话，对企划部而言，你是非常好的主管。希望你回国以后会好好照顾自己，身体健康，快乐过日子，阖家幸福吧。谢谢你，记住保重，拜拜。
Where are you? I hope you're around here. I know this day will come. However, I don't know why they come very early. Foster, I mentioned you. We worked more than 6 years together, but right now, this day come, you finish duty in Vietnam. However, I hope you can stay here, work long time with us. Right now, we need to say goodbye with you. However, many memories we have together. When the day you come to Vietnam, we worked together in the Tân Thuận industrial office. This is a temporary office. We eat together. We set up the company. We set up at the beginning. So many memories. I cannot forget it. Right now, even though you come back, so I hope we have keep in touch and help each other. I hope see you soon in Vietnam or in Thailand. It depends, right? Company will. I hope I come to Taipei for visit you, not for business. Okay? Best wish to you. Best wish to you. I always remember. Foster.
好 ，Foster， 我想6年前，其实我记得我在组越南小组的时候，并没有你的名单，只是很意外的人资写通知说你要来，我也就好吧，想不到6年以后你还能够生存下来，那也看到你的成长，恭喜你，所以呢，我要准你回台湾，继续再做更好的一个发展，祝福你。
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks like they are here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was certain easy game to play. Now I need the blade to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Oh, tomorrow, yesterday.
Foster.
Tomorrow
is yesterday. We love you.
Love you, I love me， 从不曾忘记和你在一起的甜蜜。Love you, I love me， 从不曾怀疑，你是我永远的唯一。可是忽然仿佛掉了你，My love， 我冷得无法呼吸。可是忽然仿佛回不去，像是只迷途在北极的鱼。I miss you now, where you going？ 想念曾经